So picked up a brand new Bambu Lab X1 carbon that replaced the old Flash Forge Dreamer down there I got 10 years ago. So got our parts, spacers we needed. So this thing's pretty sweet. It's got a magnetic build plate. You can take it off, flexible. Parts pop right off. So this here comes with the, this is a combo, so it comes with the AMS, which is some sort of material management system.
Automatic material switcher.
It's a 256 cubed build space. Got a camera in it. It does time lapses. You get live updated previews of your print. This thing's all sealed up. It's got desiccant up top for keeping all your filaments dry. And then glass door, glass top. If you guys have any designs that can be 3D printed, hit us up. We're looking for some more content for the channel. So if we pick your design, we'll make it, send it to you free of charge.
Maybe a t-shirt too.
Oh. But this thing is completely a game changer compared to that old Dreamer down there. A Dreamer for a Dreamer. But real funny guy today.
Yeah.
But yeah, this thing is awesome, definitely.
Why don't we go show the people what these parts you made it for?
Yeah, let's go. So these here were printed at the 0.2 millimeter layer height on the strength setting. So let's check out and see how dimensionally accurate these parts came out. So this here I set to 1 inch, or about 993. ID was 330, or about 323. So it's coming out a little bit smaller. And then the length on this one, 605. Dang, look at that. Perfect.
Dang.
Right down to the thou on the height. That's pretty crazy. That matches pretty nice too.
Nice.
That'll look pretty sweet. So this here gets mounted upside down and gets bolted to the bottom of this metal plate. So you could see it doesn't, actually this small washer go on here, but it would actually be the other way around. But instead of just bolting this and having nothing in here and putting all the pressure on this ear, this piece of plastic slips over and now spaces it out perfectly flat with that. So whenever you tighten down on it, it tightens down on this instead of putting all the tension on that ear. So
you don't ever want tension on your ear.
No, you don't want to. That's so thick that I'm sure that would be fine, but you know, we like to do things prim and proper around here. So these are 100% infill. I'm just kind of curious to see how strong this actually is. So I printed an extra one of each, and we're just gonna smack it with a hammer. This is probably, you got your safety glasses
I was
on?
just thinking that. Yeah, I thought that was gonna be a lot harder of a hit.
I mean, how much harder? It's literally something that's, man, he wasn't joking about being early. How much more abuse do you think that's gonna see?
I thought you were gonna like wail on it.
I mean, I'm going to, but I didn't want to just come up here and Hulk it the first time. Like this one here should be real strong. Oh, that's actually pretty strong.
You taking on any damage?
That's crazy. Look at that. There's not even a mark on it.
Sure.
There's not even a dent. You seeing that?
Break it, Josh.
That's pretty tough. We got a little bit of damage. Just a little bit, but this is just PLA. So that's taking quite a beating. I'm impressed. Good work, Josh.